This is Chad and Dalton at Coyote Classics.
And today we're going to be going through this original red 1968 Pontiac GTO.
Yeah, this is an awesome car. I can't remember the last time we had a GTO convertible.
Yeah, and then especially original red one. And this one is powered by its numbers matching 400 engine, Dalton.
That's excellent.
Really nice car. This one has had a complete frame-off restoration. If you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, there's going to be about 20 to 30 photos of the undercarriage as well. But as you look at the engine bay on this one, just done very, very professionally. You can tell everything was completely taken apart, the fenders, the doors, everything when it was painted years ago. Power steering, power brakes, bottom of the hood paint was nice as well. And most of all, just a great sounding numbers matching rebuilt 400.
Absolutely. Yeah, I've never heard style numbers matching motor in there.
No. How about the hideaway headlights? So that's super cool as well. Just to have factory hideaway headlights, and these do work. As soon as we fire it up and shut her back off, they go right back up. Front balance and stuff looks good. Gaps are real decent on it. We did add the hood tack and the rear spoiler as well. A hood tack needs to be hooked up yet. We're going to do that. So the hood tack will definitely be working. We just haven't had that opportunity, and it got over to detail before that was done. Front nose paint looks great. A lot of times you're going to see those cracks and stuff like that in that Enduro bumper. This one looks fantastic. Don't see any of that happening anywhere there. There's a couple little pieces of chrome that need to be done yet. Right around the front valance. So there's two little pieces of chrome there that need to be replaced and installed. Now, as we look up and down the side, the paint and body on this real deal GTO is super nice, very straight. Wheel well trims, all brand new. American Racing torque thrust wheels look great on it. Tire tread is nice and deep as well. There's not a lot of things we're going to need to point out on it since the paint looks so great. As we look all the way down along the bottom of the car, no issues, chips, paint, bubbles, nothing.
That's sharp.
Yeah.
Just the whole appearance of it, red with the black interior, convertible top, buckets,
Whoever
console.
gets this one's going to be super excited about it, Dalt. And wait till we get behind the wheel. I mean, the exhaust all looks new, the frame's all painted black, floors are great.
The exhaust sounds fantastic too when you fired it up a little bit ago.
It does, it really does. Inside corner of the door is all solid, rust-free there as well. As far as the jams, the paint is just a little bit older in the jams, Dalton. The exterior repaint was done here recently, but the jam paint was probably 20, 30 years old. Still looks good, but it does have some chips and stuff in it. As you can see, everything was taken apart when it was done many years ago. Rubbers are all in excellent shape. All brand new rubbers on the top. Even up here, so many times people leave this original piece here with surface rust, bubbles, just ripped. That's in excellent shape. The visors are nice and tight. It's believed to be an 86,657 original mile car, and I definitely believe it, that is true.
Especially with the numbers matching motor still present.
Yeah, and then all the original wood grain still. You can tell the wiper stuff, the light stuff, all looks good, but it has just a little patina to it. Another thing it's got is a his or her shifter, which I think is super cool. Door panels all look good. Seat backs look nice. Does have a little split in the armrest. I ordered one, but it was on back order, so I just went ahead and canceled it. It's got the GM seat belts in the front and the rear. Back seat looks great.
Yeah, very nice interior.
We'll go ahead and pop the trunk open once for us. Again, there's a nice view of the driver's side up and down. It's got awesome dual exhaust. It's got the little trumpets in the back. Back bumper chrome is gorgeous. Trunk lid fits excellent here. Both sides look good. I love the rear spoiler. That was a good touch, Doll.
Yeah,
Just
it was
gives
my idea.
Yeah, it was your idea. Just give it a little more of that muscle car look. Classic car guys, you also want to be careful when you're opening trunks with keys flopping around with new paint.
Yep, that's how they get scratched. I just was providing an example on what not to do.
Oh, thank you, Dalton.
You're welcome.
Yeah, good job, Dalton. Trunk floor is awesome. All speckled, nice, cleared. That's trunk floor is just immaculate in it. And so as you can see here, the new paint versus the old paint. This is probably 30-year-old paint here. Still looks good as far as the driver, but the outside paints basically show quality.
Yep.
Quarter panel is fantastic. I love the stance on it. Got nice wheels, tires. Back here is in great shape as well. If you've been waiting for a red GTO convertible, this is a nice one, guys. I don't see a chip or a scratch anywhere on the outside paint. We'll go ahead and we'll get the top ready to go up and we'll take it for a spin. All the inside dome lights work. Corner of the door is great. Dash pad's awesome as well. No cracks, beautiful. It's got an older AM FM, looks like an 8-track in there. Dash paint's beautiful.
Or behind the wheel of it. It sounds fantastic.
It's got that newer muscle car sound kind of, doesn't it?
Yeah, nice like cammy, like.
Yeah, it sounds just like a GTO should. So the hideaway headlights work great. Inside dash lights and stuff all work as well. Okay. Heater fan works nice. No way. The old AM FM 8-track works.
PS Store. We know this upcoming holiday.
That's neat.
Yeah. Wipers look like they have brand new blades and arms and everything, and they work properly. Horn does not work. It's got the correct steering wheel. Everything feels good in there. I don't know, maybe this doesn't have a horn hooked up. Looks like a bright light indicator works. Gas gauge works. Clock does not work. 86,657 miles, and the tachometer is brand new and will be hooked up and work perfect. So I love the Hurst shifter. It's really just a cool design back in the day. You know, really made back in the day when things were kind of a drag racing. They wanted a drag race. They wanted the old B&M shifter kind of thing, but yet they wanted the stock. And Pontiac just hit it right out of the park with this Hurst shifter.
Yeah, they did.
Or they call it a dual gate shifter, I guess, too. But I like the Hurst better.
Yeah. There we go. Puts it right back.
It's freaking fast, man.
Yeah, it is.
It's a great car. Oil pressure is 60 pounds at an idle. Amp gauge is working great. Temperature is just basically, like I said, just hasn't came up yet. We'll go with the old his side, should we?
Yeah.
Tell the choke's still on a little bit.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this thing, this flies, just picks up and goes. And good gears too. It seems like that's probably seems like 85, 90 right there.
How crisp and clean is it going down the road, huh?
That's smooth.
55, 60 mile an hour right now. The steering is absolutely perfect. Does not need alignment. As far as our brakes go,
They're fantastic
brakes.
too.
Yeah. Love this car. Yeah, very nice car. The first time I drove it, it was about 50 degrees. What was it, a week ago probably? For some reason, You know, it just doesn't like the 15-degree weather this morning, so
we're getting all these cool ones in like the middle of winter. Like I so badly wish there were some car shows to take this thing to.
I know.
You know, it'd be so fun to drive this thing top down, go to a car show.
This one, our salesman Dave even fell in love with it, didn't he?
Yeah, he was trying to buy it yesterday. Very nice. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Links down in the comments section of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.